So over here in the calendar, you see a certain time scale, and over here you can see that this length represents 1 hour currently. But let's say you want to go around and change around that time scale. Then over here on the top, you see time scale as an option. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say 60 minutes. And once you do that, you can see that this is the time scale that you have. You see the entire day in this particular section right here, which is squeezed down. You want to go beyond that, then you can go for 30 minutes right here, and you have the scrolling down as you can see right here. And you can also go around onto, let's say, 15 minutes right here. So once you do that, you can see that one block right here is 15 minutes. So if you want to make smaller tasks and smaller schedules, then 15 minutes block is actually good. You can also go for 10 minutes, as you can see right here. So there's more like 10 minutes just like this, as you can see. And you can also go for 6 minutes as well. So one difference is 6, or you can go for 5 minutes, which is the most detailed time scale. So as you click, you add a 5-minute task right here. So there's 12:10 to 12:15. So that is a 5-minute task, as you can see right here. And this is how you can utilize the time scale right here to go around and define how much an event, a default event timing will be based on this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.